In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer from your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This is a simple yet effective way to tidy up your slides and make them look more professional. Whether you're finalizing a presentation for work, school, or just a personal project, getting rid of unnecessary elements can enhance the clarity and impact of your content. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, open up the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file that you're working on. You might have it saved on your computer or perhaps hosted in the cloud if you're using a service like OneDrive. Simply double-click the file and your presentation should open in PowerPoint, ready for editing. Next, navigate to the slide where you want to remove the footer. Typically, footers are found at the bottom of your slide, and you'll see it right in the middle of that lower section. It's common to find information like dates, slide numbers, or even short titles there. These might have been automatically generated or added manually at some point. If these aren't needed for your presentation's purpose, it's a good idea to clear them out to maintain a clean and distraction-free design. Now click directly on the footer text box. You should notice that a border appears around it, indicating that this is the editable area. Clicking it selects the whole text box, making it easy to modify or remove its contents. This is the prime opportunity to make sure you're targeting exactly what you want to delete without affecting other elements on your slide. Once you have the footer selected, simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This action erases the content within the footer text box instantly. It's as straightforward as it sounds. The text or numbers previously occupying that space will disappear, leaving you with a cleaner slide. If you've made a mistake, don't worry. You can always use the Undo feature in PowerPoint, typically by pressing Ctrl+Z to go back a step. And there you have it. The footer is gone. You've successfully removed that unwanted element from your slide. Repeat these simple steps for other slides in your presentation if necessary. Remember, having a well-organized and visually appealing presentation can significantly improve how your message is received by your audience. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to refine your presentations. Good luck with your project and happy presenting.